Hello traders, Ala Peters on June 1st. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System on crucial critical hourly chart. This is a chart that's been present in front of you for the last 2 weeks. As we discussed with students prior to the market open, there is absolutely no sellers in this market, only buyers. In front of you, brand new historical high. In front of you, the power of the system. In front of you, overextended market. That's showing you time and time again. If you're trading with institutions and not against them, you are always on the right side of the market. Bullish rally zone. Institutions can afford to buy anywhere. You cannot. This is vertical bullish rally identified by Alpha Fibonacci System many months in advance. This bullish rally started in March 2020, the last 2 weeks. I will remind you next the power of the system during crisis. This is what's happening in front of you right now. This is what we discussed with students. Historical resistance in front of you, system showing you clearly. But there is absolutely no sellers. Vertical bullish rally is on. Institutions buying markets, buying everything. But if you're trading small account, if you're trading your own money, it's a problem. You cannot buy historical high. You cannot buy into reversal zone. This is day trading chart. And this is very powerful reminder of what's happening already. And what we discussed with students prior to the market open. It's a reversal zone when it comes to day trading. It's a historical high. If you decide to buy here, it is gambling, not trading. No one buys historical high in their clear mind. If you ever do, your success rate less than 20%. If you choose to buy Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone into brick wall, you are officially gambler, not an intelligent trader. What is much bigger problem this morning? This support. This is what intelligent trader monitors. We need a powerful pullback, as we discussed with my brilliant students. We need the price to crash through this level. If price remains stuck at this level, market will be war zone. Again, software had shown you everything far in advance. It's a bold red line. You choose to buy. What is the best case scenario? Pain. Non-stop chop. This is simplicity and power of the software. Buy at crucial bold green lines. Do not enter into bold red lines. Can you do that? If you can, that's 50%. That's the power and simplicity of the software. If you're adding this chart, you know extremely well, as we discussed with my students. This is crucial critical moment. Powerful selling pressure is the key. Dow already giving you this. Scanner setting up with multiple alerts on Dow, not S&P. This is what intelligent trader knew before market open. If this support remains intact, sellers are worthless, sellers are weak. Intelligent trader would never touch any shorts. Again, parties in Miami start at 10 a.m. Billions and billions of dollars enjoying the profits. vertical institutional rally, the biggest rally in 100 years with the biggest profits, as top 1% became 50% richer, is a powerful lesson. Trading with institutions is the only path to success. Trading against them is not a smart thing to do. So ask yourself a question. How many shorts have you taken since March 2020? Because billions of dollars been only buying the markets and billions of dollars holding the profits. Intelligent trader understands how games is played. This is little day trading chart, and you can convert this chart to any chart you choose to trade. We need sell-off to crucial support. To here is ideal. And this is what intelligent trader knew well before market open. Strategizing very, very clearly. No stress, no pain in trading. Only precision, only power. With Alpha Fibonacci System. Software Ninja 8 shown you that clearly. So as we monitoring for crucial rules to be met, for intelligent strategic short, let's walk down memory lane so you can see the system during crisis. So if you're dying to short this morning, ask yourself how many shorts do you see on this chart? Multi-billion dollar positions are still long. Vertical rally is on. The biggest amount of wealth had been made in the last 14 months. But in May 2021, it's a very different trading. Buying historical high versus buying bullish trend inception. When hundreds of trades were flying on Nasdaq, on Dow 30-50 trades per day, on S&P 10-15-20 trades per day, because when billions of dollars taking positions, it's a dream for day trader. Right now, it's a very different place. It's historical high, and this morning we're dealing with day trading reversal zone. Intelligent trader understands this is not the place to buy. Intelligent trader demands a powerful pullback. Every single short against Goldman, against JP Morgan traders. Do not forget this chart. So if you decide to short, it's a little junky short. Intelligent trader knows this very, very well. Still remains a whole lot of junk. So this would be the worst possible case scenario if we're stuck here. Why? It's a war zone of the junky pullbacks. We need the price here, not here. Junky retail pullback is a war zone. The best case scenario is Spain. We need so much more. An intelligent trader understands every single short against BlackRock, Goldman, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, against multi-billion dollar positions. So this is how you are tested to the core. But if you understand strategic intelligence system, you are not gambling. You are very well prepared. You understand what separates power from weakness. You only trading power. You do not touch weakness. This is where you're buying with institutions on May 13th, on May 19th. This is not the place to buy, and you know this. Hours, days, weeks, months and years in advance. All depends on chart you trade. You are not a gambler. You have zero interest being majority. You are not trading junky indicators. You are not chasing cheap systems. Because hedge fund traders don't do that. So why would you ask yourself that question? So we need drastically more power when it comes to pullback. Intelligent trader understands that. Intelligent trader knew weeks in advance. This is not the place to buy. This morning software showing you it's a bold red line. So what would your trading be like if you knew this days, weeks, months, and hours in advance, where it's not the place to buy? 50% of the work is done for you before trading day even begun. So here's a trade in overnight session. Here's simplicity and power of the system. You're at key support levels. Software showing you precise entry, precise stop, and software showing you the crucial key target. Intelligent trader exiting the trade before that level. So when the pullbacks for 2-3 points playing out, intelligent trader not stressing out. This is simplicity of the system. This is not the place to buy. Intelligent trader knows this hours and days in advance. So here's Alpha Fibonacci System in front of you. December 2019. Price reached reversal zone. Except this is not day trading chart. This is institutional chart. Intelligent trader understands how to protect investments. Intelligent trader understands how to day trade this crucial moment in the market. So when historical sell-off is playing out, what does intelligent trader knows? 2200 level at the bottom is institutional buy zone. So when market selling off, you are not losing your mind. You are not losing money. You're strategizing very, very clearly where institutional entries will be. You understand top 1% owns news channel, top 1% loves, panic, horror, and negativity. Because the crash, better the buy. So when institutional support is present and crucial levels are reached, what does the intelligent trader does? Monitoring Alpha Fibonacci day trading entry points with institutions, not against them. This was institutional entry points on S&P on day trading chart. 2200 level. Do you remember this? We are no longer at this level. We are no longer at the bottom. If you trade it with institutions and not against them, you are in brilliant, brilliant shape. You understand the danger and the difference of buying the bottom versus buying the top. So this is what played out since March 23rd. Here is institutional chart since March 2020. When I work with institutions and hedge funds, they do not look on little junky charts. They trading very, very clear long-term levels only. So software currently, speaking of the devil, giving us multiple bearish alerts, all playing out in front of you right now. In May 2020, there were no bearish markets. Bullish rally was on. This morning we are not at the bottom, are we? We're at historical high, at reversal zone on top. This is a market at ultimate high. This is a market at historical levels. On June 1st, 2021, we are at the top. We're no longer at the bottom. And that's a very different chart than the chart on March 13th, March 16th, 17th, 2020, March 23rd, Black Thursday. Do you see Black Thursday on the chart? Pretty please do tell me. Or do you see vicious buying? Which one do you see? So while horrific news remained on, market continued its rally. Market did not stop. Every single pullback had been bought. Even when price reached reversal zone, intelligent trader understood in 2020 price continued respecting institutional support. And this remained the key. Every pullback is being bought. $68 billion left New York. All in Miami. No one wants to pay taxes on billions of dollars. How many shorts have you taken in 2020? Ask yourself that question. Pretty please. It's a very different market this morning. Trader being tested to the core. We are no longer at the bottom. We are on the top. It is absolutely stunning and incredible news that market starts selling off with power, not with weakness. So when buyers already stepping in at the crucial red zone, it's extremely aggressive long. So here's Alpha Fibonacci System on euros. We have multiple students trading. Euro also at reversal zone on institutional chart. So when Apple selling off from reversal zone, no one should be surprised. All precise. It's a reversal zone present in the room for months. This is key institutional support on Apple. Intelligent trader understands very well what to do with his and her position on Apple. Amazon, brutal nasty chop for entire last year. This is not the place to buy Amazon. The place to buy Amazon in 2019 1400 level, not 3400, not 3000. But it's exact same thing playing out in front of you on S&P right now. Do you remember that part? It's exact same thing. The only difference, if you're holding position for a few seconds, few minutes, or days, weeks, and months. Alpha Fibonacci System applies to euro, to pound, to cryptocurrency, to S&P, to anything you will ever choose to trade. This morning price at day trading reversal zone. This morning price at historical high. Not a place to buy. But as long as institutional support respected, this means selling pressure is nothing. It's a little retail junk. That's the power of the system, and that's what intelligent trader knows. Institutions holding their longs. So when you are trading with Goldman and BlackRock traders, you're always on the right side of the markets. The only difference between you and them, they can afford to buy anywhere. They can afford to hold position for months and years. But if you are trading your own little account, you need to zoom in on this chart. Pullback in progress. We knew this. Price remains in crucial red zone. This is where intelligent trader needs to see the price. If junky bullish spikes are present, it's nothing. You are in red zone. You are at reversal zone. You are at historical high. Never forget the difference between you and hedge fund traders. In the trading room this morning are traders who trading micro account, macro account, and traders who trading multi-million and multi-billion dollar positions with Alpha Fibonacci System. You're witnessing ultimate precision, not just on day trading, but on long-term stocks and Forex now. So this is one of my favorite parts, working with children of my incredible traders. So when during lockdown, 14-year-old Dominic sending me this email and does this with Alpha Fibonacci System, while his father, hedge fund manager in London, does this with Alpha Fibonacci System. What is stopping you? You can apply system to day trading, or you can position trade. When Brad does this during the worst market, sharing this during the worst market, going from $10 an hour to $3,500 per day, what is stopping you? Ken has zero interest in day trading. Ken loves position trading cryptocurrency. While Mustafa in Saudi Arabia trading oil stocks. It never gets old. In the trading room, you're witnessing precision to the tick. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. If we remain stuck in the red zone, pullback is junk. But it is a key support. This is precision, this is power, each and every day in front of you. Choice is yours, what you want to trade. So every single day in the trading room you can witness the power of the system to the tick on S&P mini futures or Dow. But you can trade the system on any instrument of your choice. A system traded globally on all instruments. So if you'd like to listen to Emmanuel brought his wife and his brand to the course. If you'd like to listen to Carlton, who is trading for a hedge fund, or Ken Movie Maker, who made movie about his life, post it on website, please do. Or if you would like to listen to Brad and how he went from $10 an hour to $3,500 per day, this is the reason I love what I do. But listen to Richard's story. Who knows how
Good
not
morning,
to
Richard.
trade
How are you?
junk?
Good morning. I'm
This
doing
is
fabulous.
what
How are you?
everything
Good.
starts
This is our
with.
second
From
podcast about your
3,500
journey
and
with Fibonacci Trading
account to
Institute.
11,000
second of maybe.
within 6 weeks. Choice is yours. What do you want to trade? You will be prepared for the next crisis. You understand the power of pure price. You understand the power of trading with institutions and not against them. This is what we discuss in every live class. I live and breathe what I do. I raise top 1%, and that's what I teach you. How to think, live and breathe as top 1% does. I don't know anything less. I don't allow anything less. Because if you want to become top 1%, you are done chasing junk. You are done chasing cheap indicators. You are done chasing cheap systems. Because JP Morgan traders, whom I mentor, do not do that. Why in the world would you? You're only interested in trading institutional system with live classes, with video library and modules. It's a lifetime system for any platform or lifetime software for Ninja 8. You can trade anything you choose. And if you're interested in private mentoring, pretty please speak with me first, because private mentoring overbooked. Because of the current crisis, we are offering the biggest savings ever. And if you are in Australia, or Saudi Arabia, or Malaysia, or London, of course, you can view videos 24/7. And if you like to come to live classes, please do, Monday through Thursday, but it's never required. At least 50% of the students working full time and view hundreds of videos any time. So listen to students' podcasts, view emails I receive, view what students share about the course. And if you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. So again, to remind you, since early this morning before market open we discussed it's a historical resistance, it's a historical reversal zone. We need a powerful selling pressure. It is the only option this morning. Nothing else is possible, only this. And when the price will collapse to this level, it will be really, really good. But this would be day traders' ideal level. And that's the power of the system in front of you every single day. You are never entering into reversal zone. You know this. Hours, days, weeks, many months ahead. Historical high, not the place to buy. It is that simple. It is that pure. And that's the events of this morning.